fam, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely. Be the fam, that's what they call me.
Hello Glory family gangs, welcome to our channel. Thank you so much and welcome back again to another video. So today guys, as you can see already by the title, I am going to be showing you guys how I made this delicious, simple, fluffy and soft Nigerian meat pie. It's so delicious, like you can never go wrong with these ingredients. This is very simple, nothing complicated. I didn't even use milk. So guys, I'm going to be showing you how I made it. Sit down, grab a juice or popcorn and sit down. Let me show you how I did it. So guys, these are Stay tuned. The ingredients I'm going to be using for my meat pie. So I will just be showing you guys everything I'm going to be using for my meat pie. From the filling to the dough and everything. Let's go right into it. I have my first thing here. I have my flour, I have my carrots, I have my Irish potato, preferably Irish potato. I don't know if you can use anything else, but it's up to you. And yeah, the next thing we have is baking powder, we have nutmeg, we have salt, and we have margarine, and we have 1 egg and diced meat, minced meat, anyone. So let's go right into the video guys. Let's go right in directly into our cooking, our mixing, and making the meat pie filling. So guys, the first thing I'm going to be adding my onion to the vegetable oil, and I'll fry it on a medium heat, and then I'll add my carrot to it and stir and leave for a few minutes, and then I add my potatoes to them. After adding my potatoes, I will just stir it up and leave it to cook for a while. After stirring for a while, I will be adding the next thing. I will just add my diced meat. I'll add it and stir it very well. I'll stir it very well, and then I'll start to add my ingredients to it. I added my thyme, I added my 1 maggi cube. I forget to show you guys. I added 1 maggi cube, and then stir it properly, so that, because this my diced meat was in the freezer, I forgot to bring it out earlier before preparing for my meat pie, so it's still pretty ice, so I need to mix it very well, but I can't. As you can see here, I just put in water and then allow it to cook. So now I'm going to be mixing my dough. So to mix my meat pie dough, I'll be mixing about 1,000 grams of flour. That is a big flour there, like I think it's 2 kilo. So I took half of it and added my baking powder, nutmeg and salt. I added it all to it, mix it very well together. So at this point, I'm going to be adding my margarine, and I have here as well my water that I'm going to be using to mix instead of my milk. I didn't want to use milk. I always use water in my meat pie. So I'll be adding in my 100 grams of margarine. I'll put all of it and I'll mix it until it turns to crumbs, just as you're seeing in the photo. So after mixing all the dry ingredients, I will start adding my water in the dry ingredients to mix it up to make a dough. So as you can see in the video, I'm mixing it up. I will be adding my water bit by bit to make sure that the dough is not too soft, nor too strong. It will just be in moderate. So as you can see, I'm mixing it up. I'm mixing it as fast as I can. So guys, after mixing it, then I will move over to mixing water and flour together, and then I'll pour that into my meat pie filling that I'm already cooking as a thickener to the meat pie filling, so it won't be so dry when I put it inside my dough. So right now I'm done with my dough. I'm done mixing or kneading my dough. The next thing I'm going to do is to cover it for 5 or 10 minutes for it to rest in a cool place for 5 or 10 minutes, and then I'll start cutting my dough. And yeah, so guys, as you can see, I'll be mixing my filling thickener that I will use to thicken my meat pie filling, so the meat pie will not be dry, everything will not be dry. So I'll be using my flour and water to mix this. As you can see, my meat pie filling is ready to be used, and here I have my dough. It has been sitting for 10 minutes and is also ready to be used. And right here I have my dough, I have my meat pie filling and my egg wash and my rolling pin that I will be using, and my cutting pin as well, and my egg wash tool that I will be using to apply the egg wash as well. So right now, stick with me, watch out and see how I cut it out and make everything. Keep watching. So as you can see here, I cut my dough into two, and I will be making use of the half of it. I'll first be doing half of it, and then we'll move over to the other one. So guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this one. Let me just demonstrate with one for you. I roll out my dough. You don't have to make it too thick. I roll it out. If you want yours thick is okay, but I don't want mine too thick, just moderate. Then I use my cover of pot. Sometimes you can use a plate, or if you have a meat pie cutter, you can use as well. Then I add my egg wash around it, and then I add my meat pie filling, and then I close it up. The reason why I put my egg wash is to seal it properly so it doesn't get open while I'm baking it. So keep watching. I just said let me demonstrate with this, and I will do it the same way for all of them. Not all of them I put egg wash sometimes, but yeah, it's really good to put egg wash. It makes it stick and it doesn't get open while it's in the oven. So after adding it, I'll just put it in the oven, and yeah, then our meat pie is all set to be eaten. You can put it in the oven for 30 minutes or 25 minutes or 40 minutes, depend on how many degrees you're putting it. And I will check on it. After checking on it, voila, our meat pie is all set and ready to be eaten. I love this meat pie. It's so soft, flaky. Oh my god, like you can take this with your tea in the morning or juice in the afternoon, anyhow, okay? You can also eat it like that. My kids love it. My hubby, this is his favorite snack, like one of his favorite snack. He always loved me to make, like, every time. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video useful and if you like what you see, please thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Join the family by subscribing and you will never regret it. If you also have other recipe or anything you want me to try, or you want me to add and ingredients that you think will make it tastier or better, please let me know in the comment section below. And thank you so much for watching. I love you all. Please subscribe to my channel. If you've been watching and you've not been subscribed, please subscribe. It really means a lot to us. And if you can share out this video, it might help someone. Share it out and share to your friends, your family, your Facebook, your Instagram for us, and let's make this channel known. Let's spread this channel, okay? Let's make it go viral, guys. As you can see, my kids cannot wait to have this meat pie. They are already bugging me. Mama, I need it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. See you in the next one.